Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video here on Dogecoin. Wanted to do a full update. I covered this obviously on Friday when the Dogecoin ETF application was acknowledged by the SEC. That provided quite a lot of bullish momentum. So then we also talked about, I think I made the video in the morning or something, and I said, you know, this is most likely going to actually provide some more bullish momentum, which it did. But ultimately, what we needed to see is some sort of a sustained breakout above the main resistance level that Dogecoin had at 27.5 cents. And unfortunately, that has not happened. And you can even see right now, even though these moves happened over the weekend, right? So what I usually say, and that's the truth, is that moves in the weekend can easily be reversed, all right? And especially this weekend, what we're seeing is that the volume in the markets, or at least the volume for Bitcoin specifically, which is usually a leading indicator for the volume in the market as well, has dropped down to the levels it was at the end of October, before the election, all right? So in general, that's super low, and that's definitely compared to the period we've had, that's low. So volume has dropped down. Same for Dogecoin, all right? If you take a look at Dogecoin right now, I mean, it's still pulling $1.27 billion in volume, but we're losing that volume, which is first of all a sign that there's less momentum. Second of all, that's also a sign that we can still reverse this move, this bearish move, right? So that we can actually reverse and go up. But I mean, we have to be honest, all right? We have a massive resistance level for Dogecoin right here, basically between 28 cents, where you have this first kind of line of defense, all the way up to 31 cents, which is filled with resistance. All right, and I already told you on Friday that I thought it was most likely we would actually move up a little bit more, which we did. But I also told you, I mean, if we get into that level, I'm going to short, because I don't see enough reason why Dogecoin sustainably on the higher time frames should turn bullish yet. All right, maybe in the future, and I'm definitely open for a bullish Dogecoin. And if Dogecoin looks bullish, and I think we can actually turn bullish, I'll be the first to tell you. But right now, if we look at Dogecoin, we have to be realistic and say that, all right, well, the SEC acknowledging the Dogecoin ETF application, that's bullish. And down the line in 2025, I also do think Dogecoin has a relatively high chance to actually get that ETF. However, what we see right now is that the volume that was actually created because of that news has already been dropping down since Friday afternoon, both the volume and the open interest. And technically, we have broken back into the previous range we were at between 27.5 cents and 25 cents. So do I still think we can actually move into this area right here at 29.5 and 30.5 cents? I think it's a possibility if Bitcoin turns very bullish with the opening of the new week. All right. Otherwise, I don't see any specific strength for Dogecoin, and I'd say it's more likely that we'll find some support, but that ultimately we will drop back down into this range, ultimately dropping down into 25 and 25.5 cents, and that we will be able to hold that as support and basically move sideways until we actually get some news, or until we get some sort of an event in the markets. Could also be something outside of Dogecoin specifically, that is enough to get that bullish breakout, which we would need quite a lot for that. I'll be honest. Or we could also potentially get some sort of a news event or update, which could push the price down for Dogecoin. Which again, I mean, that just provides opportunities, right? That just provides opportunities to go short or to go long at stronger support levels. But short term, like I said, some bullish momentum, if the market is bullish, is to be expected, but a bullish breakout I don't expect. And ultimately, whether the market turns bullish, yes or no, I think it's a matter of time before Dogecoin really drops back down into the range, which we've seen the start of right now, and that it also drops back down to that main support level around 25 and 24.5 cents. And those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.